My name is President Razak MP. I am skilled in logistics and supply chain management. I am performing this video to avail the WSC Career Development Certificate and role of logistics in supply chain management. In supply chain management, logistics is responsible for the movement and storage of goods and services, along with the document and reports that record those movements throughout the items journeys to the customers. Logistics include the numerous transportation methods that get inventory from one location to another. This component is responsible for figuring out where goods can be kept at each stage until they are needed at another location, which is essential to effective supply chain management. Logistics is a critical piece of supply chains because it manages and tracks the people and resources needed to store and transfer goods and services. Logistics ensures that material and products reliable move at the right time on budget. Specific aspects of logistics that supports supply chain management include delivering the right products at right time, reducing cost and improving efficiency, helping retain customers and increasing loyalty, providing a unique value proposition for some business, providing means to deliver goods from the most effective location for production to the location of the customer. Why is training so important to supply chains? The field of logistics is constantly evolving as customer trends changes. Logistic training helps employees and their companies to stay current with the best practices. Training gives a company the tools it needs to analyze and improve customer demand, product designs and distribution strategies. Why use logistic and supply chain management? Logistic and supply chain management helps business stay competitive. These practices track and coordinate the efficient and cost effective movement of goods and services, which is a key in an organization profitability. Logistic components of supply chain. Supply chain logistic components helps to manage goods or services. Each element helps move material, finished goods and services through the many steps in supply chain. The following are the logistics components of supply chains. Information. Information helps track the status of items and all supply chain process, informing business decision at each step. Storage. Storage is the practice of holding supplies in the right quantity and right location. Business must strike a balance between demand and supply to prevent overstock and out of stock situation. Warehousing. This component controls the day-to-day warehouse operations such as receiving, put away, picking, packing, shipping and receiving. Material handling. Material handling can refers to the limit movement of items within a building or a delivery vehicle. Others extend the definition to include storage, security and transfer of goods throughout the manufacturing, distribution and delivery process. Packaging. Proper packaging ensures items arrive undamaged and shipped for the lowest possible cost. Unitization. Unitization makes items efficient to arrange, transport and store. Utilization methods also ensure that material handling equipment can move items efficiently and without damaging them. A cube is one of the more easiest units to store and shift, so it's popular type of unitization. Inventory control. Inventory control incorporates storage and warehousing techniques to optimize the types and amount of stock held and where companies can use inventory management formulas to better calculate demand. Transportation. Transportation. This component is responsible for moving goods along the supply chain to the next mode or directly to the customers. Transportation modes includes cars, trains, trucks, planes and ships. How both supply chain management and logistics are fundamental to success. Supply chain management and logistics both support customer needs and improve the buying experience. which provides direct feedback on demand. CSM uses this data to understand what customers want and plan production and inventory levels. Reliable, cost-effective logistics pave the way to efficient supply chain management. A well-managed supply chain results in filling orders accurately and on time, which over time will attract new clients and grow the bottom line. Many businesses have realized the benefits of using supply chain software to help mitigate the complexities and challenges of supply chains. This software can unify various aspects of supply chain from sourcing to production planning, inventory and order management to help the organization meet rising customer expectations while keeping costs stable. It can also provide in-depth reporting on various aspects of your operations to highlight opportunity for processing improvement or call attention to potential problems.